I am Senior Grandmaster Mon Aguasito Kiatson, PhD, Founder and President, the Ernest Kali Filipino Martial Arts from Manila, Philippines. I am ready to support the GMAC. I am also ready to serve GMAC. Whatever I can do to honor GMAC, giving seminar Darnis Kali Eskrima, FMA Filipino Martial Arts. I am respect to all GMAC and members, and God bless to all. Thank you very much.